It's time now for Police on the Scene with a Crime Prevention Lean. With your host, Police Officer and National Crime Prevention Professional, J.D. Dine.
Hey, welcome to Police on the Scene. This is Officer J.D. Dine. Technology changes, and that is no exception when it comes to home security and some of the devices out there. And we showed this device many shows ago, and it's a security bar for your door. There's actually two of them, and that's why I'm partially here. There was a security bar for your door. Used to be the same silver color of this. They're both made by Master Lock. What basically happened is Master Lock had a real patent improvement. They made a kind of a two-in-one tool here. So used to have one which had like a prong, which I call almost like a fork device for your door. And then you'd have to have a separate one for your sliding glass door that obviously didn't have a prong because that would go across, which we're going to show you in a second. But what they did is they've made it easy now to do it. Let me take off the wrapping on this one. Is they've made it easy that you have one tool for both. So obviously you might want to buy more than one, or you can switch them around, or if you only need one in your home and you want to just use it on your back door, your sliding glass door, it really doesn't matter. Here's how it works. It's very simple. You have it adjusted again, as we talked about. You put it underneath your front door, and that's all set. Now, there used to be a tool just for that, and you'd have to buy a separate one now for your sliding glass door. But now what they've done, which is really neat, is that you can use this for both. It has a little bit of it has a piece here that just comes right out. There is a pin that you can just pull out now, and it pulls out what I call your fork prong. I can get it out here completely. And now what happens is this can be used for your sliding glass doors. So Tim, now we move to the patio area, and here's where I was talking about it. We just showed our last piece, and we took off in just to really quickly review. This is the new Master Lock security bar, and we pulled out the pin right here, which you saw before, and now this will be able to be used on your sliding glass door. Now what you used to have to do is Master Lock made this is a very nice piece. If you have it, you can still use it, but when you go out there, just so you know what the difference is. You used to just put this one in, and so, if you still have this, it's fine. I mean, it works properly, but if you're looking to buy more, or you need a new one, or you haven't bought one yet, you just go in, and it's secure just like that. The nice part about what Master Lock's done with the new piece, making it 2-for-1, is that you don't have to worry about which one you're going to get. There's only one tool. So like I said before, this one can be used obviously for the door, the front door, when you put the prong piece in the top, and then here's where it works really nice for inside your sliding door. Same thing. This is a very soft piece of plastic, which will not affect your woodwork at all. You just adjust it, which we've done here. And I'll just adjust it a little bit more. Let's get it in there. There we go. And you are there. You are set to go. And that's it. So that piece will work for both your doors and your sliding glass doors and make your house a lot more secure. With that said, if you have any questions or comments on any of the things that we talk about on Police on the Scene, you can email us or you can give us a call too at our website, policeonthescene.com. With that said, I'm Officer J.D. Dine. Stay safe, and I'm 10-8.